Meron naman tayong problema, ito ay centrallock. Yan. So check namin ang fuse niya, okay naman. So Kia Picanto 2017. Kaya nagamalpan siya ng kanya.
Release din siya ba?
Ito si Beroid. Yan, tigasin sa tikisa sa
We
Kia.
have a problem here, man.
Yeah, pre.
The customer have concern that your lock is not functioning properly.
Yeah.
So we
So
found out that
okay.
the central lock is damaged.
Oh, sige daw, pre.
No,
Okay.
I think there's a problem. We cannot continually deliver the exact current because there's something problem in
Fuse.
this part. This is called the PCB block where all the relays are built in here. So we need to remove this thing to check up what is inside and what is the problem. Why it's not giving a exact current to deliver to the doors, which is unlock and lock.
Set and lock.
See that? So just watch the video
Ayan,
and enjoy.
Yan, so susubukan namin dito sa kabila. Yan si Sir Roy. Yan. Okay, i-on natin para makita natin yung
Guys,
mga
we need to check the continuity. So
yan. So naka-on na siya.
Yeah. We need to check the continuity of the socket. So this is the main line.
Okay. Karon.
So when you unlock, no, this is not unlocked. So this is here.
Lock.
Okay. There's no signal na.
The signal.
Okay,
Yan,
yeah.
okay.
The signal is losing. Okay.
Yan, okay.
Oh, see that?
Oh.
Malfunctioning. See that?
Yo.
So
Because-
from the other side, there's no signal.
No signal. Yeah.
Just on off, unlock and unlock. Just unlock and unlock,
Yeah.
yo. Okay. Oh, so-
Ayan. Yeah, see? Okay, pre.
This is the main line.
Main line. Okay na.
Alright.
So nakita mo ninyo ang naging problema, nag-malfunction siya. So kasi galing dito ng kanyang fuse, yung current niya. Yan, nandito. Kasi ito naka-built in sa PCB valve yung relay niya. Yan. So titingnan natin. Dali na natin kan.
Okay guys, we removed the PCB block where the relays are located. See how to remove, so that you have an idea how to remove this, and you know, you have an idea where is the location of the central lock of this car, of all the door of your vehicle, but only for found in Kia Picanto. This is model 2017. It's more on 5 years of service of this car to the customer, to the owner. I'm sorry, to the owner, yo. And this is my friend Mario, the
Yes.
owner of this video, this channel. I hope you gonna watch his video and subscribe his channel and share the video.
Okay.
Alright.
This PCB block. Yan. Inside the relay because problem relay after the few minutes it's no function. This one central lock here. So
Alright.
I'll be open here.
So you mean that there is a problem?
Yeah.
The problem
Inside.
is inside. Okay. We need to remove this. Yeah. Alright, baby.
Yes, basic to be open. Special tools. The welding rod. Yeah.
Hey, you have a proper tools here. Why not use it?
Yes. Here, fuse to central lock, 20 amperes. Yan. You see? 20 amperes to relay. Here, relay built in. There, relay the central lock. Always two, left and right side. This one problem na inside the coil, because after heating a few minutes, it's one no function, malfunction inside the relay.
But yeah. So what we gonna do for that?
Uh,
It's better for what?
advice to these customers, replace inside assembly the PCB block assembly fuse box block,
Or the fuse?
the fuse
Or the
all.
relay? Oh, the relay. I'm sorry. You can replace this. You go to the professional technician and to know how
How to remove
this thing,
as when built in.
because it's very sensitive, you know. It's more on electronics. Okay.
Okay, so very probe this one problem, relay the lost communication contact the relay after deliver to central lock.
All right. Rock and roll.
Okay, bro. See. So, so very expensive this one, relay fuse box to customers. Always.
How much for the price that, bro?
Price this one, 15K or 10,000.
What?
This one, genuine parts.
It was a high price.
High
I
price.
thought
this
it
one,
was a
Picanto.
more than 42,000.
So, don't
Ouch.
forget this one, subscribe the Mario's Garage and subscribe the video and share.
All right.